Today we're going to be looking at, unboxing and getting our first impressions of the RingConn Gen 2. Full disclosures out of the way, RingConn very kindly sent me the RingConn Generation 2 to review. I'm under no obligation to review the RingConn 2 in any particular way. The RingConn Generation 2 will join the Amazon Prime Day deals for their biggest discount ever. Now, if you are interested, then you need to order your size ring. So it's really important that if you are interested in getting the RingConn Generation 2, that you do order your sizing kit. So you're able to size it, get that Amazon deal day in and get your order on time. Open the RingConn 2 and look at some of the key features of the Generation 2. One of the first features to mention on the RingConn Generation 2 is that it's the first smart ring that monitors sleep apnea, which I think is a really brilliant and key feature to have on this kind of device. RingConn 2 provides 10 to 12 days of battery life when outside of the case. It does come with a case, which we'll take a look at very shortly. That provides a further whopping 150 days of use when paired with the case. The RingConn Generation 2 is the world's thinnest and lightest smart ring with a maximum thickness of 2 mil, a width of 6.8 mil and a weight of 2 to 3 grams, which you can really feel that in hand. This feels really light, really thin, which is absolutely fantastic in a fitness device that is a non-intrusive and it fits seamlessly into your everyday life and activities. The RingConn Generation 2 is made of titanium, is IP68 waterproof and dustproof up to 100 meters down into the water, and there is a non-subscription fee app that goes with the ring to monitor all of your fitness metrics. Other features to note on the RingConn Generation 2, the sensors on the ring are PBG, there's a temperature sensor and a 3-axis accelerometer. So let's take a look at the rest of the unboxing. So we open up the box, you get your instructions and you get all your information within that package in here. This goes through all of the bits and bobs, the warranty along with the ring, and it all sits nicely in this little package just here. The RingConn Generation 2 has 10 to 12 days of battery life just wearing the ring once it's fully charged. Unbelievably, it has a further 150 days worth of charge when paired with the ring case, the charging case. So pulling the charging case out of the box, as it says there, this is the charging case. You flip it open and the ring sits in there. So the really good thing for the eye test immediately, unlike some other rings I have tested, it's really obvious as to where the ring sits. There is no ambiguity. It sits right there flush into the charging case, and it just makes ease of life to be able to transport this, take this wherever you want to go, and you'll always know where your ring is. It's really easy sometimes to put a ring down, particularly when you're trying to charge it, or you just place it down and not really have anywhere to put it. So being able to keep it in a case and transport it really easily in this in hand feels like a really well-made, sturdy case, I think is wonderful. Also included in the case is the charge wire lead for the unit. So obviously there is no plug included in this device. However, there is a USB Type-C, double-ended USB Type-C to be able to plug into the charging unit and then charge into plug. So most plugs now come with a USB Type-C, so you have your charger lead and your charger wire there. The health device rings, as much as they are fantastic pieces of technology, in my experience, they live and fall by the support that goes with these types of devices. And I'm really pleased to say that RingConn does have an app which is completely free, and you link up your ring to the device and you have all your monitoring statistics there for you. I think it's really important with these devices to have software that can live with this fantastic hardware. Now, the monitoring on the app includes things like your sleep habits, sleep apnea, which I think is a vital tool and a vital view for a lot of people, to be able to view your daily stress, your menstrual forecasts if you are a female, your health metrics and wellness tracking. It tracks your activities and helps you stay active. Really looking forward to testing this RingConn Generation 2 out, testing this wonderful hardware with the software, and hopefully it will be a seamless transition, and I can't wait to view all of my health stats and give me a bit more of an insight into my overall health. I will put links in the description for discount codes and where you can have a look and pick up and purchase this RingConn Generation 2. I will also be doing a full review of the RingConn 2 very shortly, and again in that I will put discount codes and links to where you can purchase and review your RingConn Generation 2. So on that note, please don't forget to like, favorite and subscribe, and of course see you on the next one. Take care.